Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn disable resizable text area using CSS. Okay, let's get started. So we have an index.html file. I'm going to add the code HTML5. Let's add a h1, and in this one I'm going to title of our topic. Here we go. I'm going to start with open live server, and that content is displaying on the right pane. Okay, so let's add a couple of text area. Okay, so text area, let's give it a name. Let's suppose editor1 is the name and editor1 is the ID, and let's keep it simple. So I'm going to create two more copies, and let's call them text2, editor2, editor3. Okay, and here name editor2 and editor3. So we have three text areas are available. Let's define some style. I'm going to define the style over here for the visibility. Okay, so if you want to disable all the text area, like these are all resizable. Okay, I can resize it without any problem, and most of the web browsers support this. But if you want to stop this, so no one can resize it, there are a couple of options. There's the first option, which is text area. Okay, so if you define the text area, and it will work. It's a property resize, and I'm going to assign in none, so you can see all this is disabled from all of the text area. But if you want to disable it from any specific ID, you can give a, let's suppose, name. First see the name, and I'm going to call editor1 in this one. So you can see just editor1 is disabled, 2 and 3 is enabled now. We can also disable text area using the ID. Okay, let's disable by the ID, and we can even write down just the ID like this. Okay, editor2. So you can see editor2 also not enable for resize. There's last and one more option that I would like to show you, which is a class. Let's suppose if you have a class disable t area, let's call this like this, t area. Okay, and if you want to disable it by a specific class name, you can even do this. Just write down the class name, then the curly brackets, and a resize none. Okay, here we go. So you can see this third text area is unable to resize. Okay, so this is how you can disable resizable text area using CSS. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.